Hello friends, welcome again to my YouTube channel. Friends, we are solving the question of circle, that is exercise 10.2, and in last video I have solved some questions of that exercise and now the rest is here. Now a quadrilateral ABCD is drawn to circumscribing a circle. Means there is a quadrilateral ABCD which contains a circle inside it. So there is a circle here. Now what we need to prove? We need to prove that AB plus CD, that is AB, that is CD is equal to AD plus BC. This we need to prove. Now you see the solution. Now solution is here. Now friends, you see these four vertex of quadrilateral ABCD will work as an exterior point to the circle. Okay, these 4 points will be 4 exterior point to the circle. It means if A is an exterior point, then it will make 2 tangents to the circle. Okay, from exterior point A we are having 2 tangents, that is AS and AP. So the length of this tangent will be equal, because we have studied in circle. This is the property of circle. From an exterior point, the length of tangents to the circle will be equal. This is the property of circle. So that I am going to do here. We should write here, since A is an exterior point, A is an exterior point. Okay, therefore, what therefore? We know that, what we know that? The length of tangent, the property, whatever I am talking about, that I am going to write. We know that the length of tangents, drawn to the circle, that is drawn to the circle from an exterior point, are equal. So here the exterior point will be A and the tangent will be AS and AP. So the length of these 2 tangents will be equal. Therefore we can write AS is equal to AP. Equation first. In the same way, if we take B as an exterior point, then the length of BP will be equal to BQ. Same way, if we take C as an exterior point, then CR will be equal to CQ. Again, if this vertex will be taken as an exterior point, so this DR will be equal to DS. Because I have told you earlier, these 4 vertex of quadrilateral will be taken as 4 exterior point of the circle. Okay. Now, so in the same way, similarly we can write, if B will be an exterior point, then BP will be equal to BQ. Okay, so this I am going to write here. Then BQ is equal to BP. This will be equation second. Again, if C is an exterior point, then CR will be equal to CQ. This I am going to write CQ is equal to CR. That will be equation third. And the last exterior point, that is D. So DR will be equal to DS. DR will be equal to DS. So I am going to write here DS is equal to DR. That is equation 4. So in this way we are having 4 equations, first, second, third and fourth. And now we should add them. Okay, we need to add equation first, second and 4. That I am going to do here. Now write, by adding first, second, third and fourth. These 4 equations should be added. Now add this equation. If we add it, then AS plus DS, AS plus DS plus CQ plus BQ. Okay, LHS will be added together and separately RHS will be added together. So in RHS we are having AP plus DR plus CR and then plus BP. So I have added these 4 equations. Now you see what result we get. AS plus DS. So what is AS? AS plus DS will be whole AD. So at the place of AS plus DS, we can write AD. In this way, CQ plus BQ, CQ and BQ, this will make complete BC. So AD plus BC. Now here, AP and BP will make AB. Then AP is here and BP is here. So at the place of AP and BP, we can write AB. And now DR and CR. So DR and CR will make DC. So you see, I have got the result. That is AB plus DC is equal to AD plus BC. We should arrange this. We can write this AB plus CD, and here we can write this AD plus BC. So we have got the proof. Okay. Now next question. Now question number 9. Question number 9 says XY, here is XY and X dash Y dash. This is X dash and this is Y dash. Are two parallel tangents. It means these are parallel. These XY and X dash Y dash is parallel to the circle, okay, with center O. The center of the circle is O, and another tangent AB. So AB is another tangent, that is here, okay, with point of contact C, and the point of contact is C. For AB tangent, the point of contact is C. Intersecting XY at A, this AB is a tangent which will intersect XY at A and X dash Y dash at B. Prove that angle AOB is equal to 90 degree. We need to prove that the measure of this angle AOB is equal to 90 degree. Okay, question is clear. These two tangents are parallel. This another tangent is here, that is AB. Okay, this tangent intersect XY at A and intersect X dash Y dash at B. The point of contact of this tangent AB is C. Okay, this is question. And now we need to prove that angle AOB is equal to 90 degree. Proof करना है, we need to prove angle AOB is equal to 90 degree. Now for that, you see the solution. Now for that, we need to draw here a line segment. So right here, join OC. We have joined OC. Okay, now we are having two triangles here. And if you take A as an exterior point, then the length of AP and AC will be equal, because this will make a tangent. PA will be tangent and AC will be tangent. Again, if B will be an exterior point, then tangent will be BC and BQ, and the length of these two tangents will be equal, because already we have studied in circle what the length of tangents from an exterior point to the circle are equal. So this, from this property, this will be equal. This I am going to do here. Since A is an exterior point, therefore what? AP will be equal to AC. No problem. Similarly, if B will be an exterior point, then the length of BQ will be equal to BC. Similarly, BQ is equal to BC. Okay. Now we are choosing these two triangles. Okay, triangle PAO and then triangle AOC. Two triangles I am taking, that is POA and AOC. These two triangles. Okay. Now we should write in triangle PAO and AOC. I am going to congruent these two triangles. Okay friends, now we need to congruent these two triangles, that is PAO and AOC. PAO is here and AOC is here. Now for being congruent, we must have 3 equal corresponding part of these two triangles. Okay, 3 equal corresponding part of these two triangles. Now we need to find what are these. So first thing we need to get AO is equal to AO. AO is equal to AO because AO is common in both sides. So right here, common side. And now then PA will be equal to AC. because A is an exterior point and from an exterior point the tangent will be equal. If we draw tangents to the circle from an exterior point, then these tangents will be equal. So PA will be equal to AC. This we have already proved. And now the third thing, that is angle APO. APO will be equal to angle OCA will be equal to 90 degree. The measure of these two angles will be 90 degree. Why? Because this is radius and this is tangent, and we have already studied the property of tangent. Tangent is perpendicular to the radius. So because tangent is perpendicular to the radius, that's why the angle will be 90. Here also this is radius, this is tangent. So tangent is perpendicular to radius, that's why here the angle will be 90 degree. That is ACO is equal to 90 degree. That's why I have written here. So this is right angle. So right angle. This is side and this is hypotenuse. So from which property these two triangles will be congruent? Right, hypotenuse, side, that is RHS. So by RHS congruency, these two triangles will be congruent. So right, therefore triangle APO will be equal to which? Here is A, so the corresponding part of this A will be A only. Corresponding part of P will be C in this triangle, and O will be O. Corresponding part of O will be O. So this is the name of triangle. So these two triangles will be congruent. So by simplicity we can write angle AOP is equal to angle AOC. So by CPCT means corresponding part of the triangle. These are two corresponding parts of the triangle. So by CPCT these two angles will be equal. Name it 1 and 2. Name it 1 and 2. For our convenient we assume it 1 and 2. So we can write angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Similarly, if we congruent these two triangles, so again this angle and this angle will be equal. Name it 3 and 4. So we don't need to congruent again. So similarly we can write angle BOC will be equal to BOQ. This angle BOC and this angle BOQ will be equal to each other, and name it 3 and 4. Name of this triangle will be 3 and 4. I have assumed it 3 and 4. Now we need to know the property of a straight line. Since here POQ is straight line, so on a straight line the angle at a given point will be equal to 180 degree. The sum of angles at a given point will be equal to 180 degree. So here we are having 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a straight line and this is given point, that is O, and at this point there are 4 angles. So sum of these 4 angles will be equal to 180 degree. This I am going to do here. Therefore we can write angle 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 is equal to 180 degree. So now what we need to prove? We need to prove AOB is equal to 90. This angle we need to prove, and AOB means angle 2 and 3. AOB means this angle, and name this angle 2 and 3. So angle 2 plus 3, we need to get angle 2 and 3 and remove 1 and 4. Okay, removing means we need to change it. 1 should be changed to 2 and 4 should be changed to 3. Now you see, this should be written as angle 2, 3 will be 3, and 4 should be written as 3 because these two angles are equal. So we can write here, we can write 2 angle 2 plus 2 angle 3 is equal to 180 degree, because we are having 2 times, angle 2 is 2 times, angle 3 is 2 times. So 2 should be taken as a common, we will equal to 180. Now 2 will be taken that side, so it will become 180 by 2 means 90. So angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 90 degree. And now you see angle 2 and 3 means angle AOB. Okay, this was the question. So proved, we have got the answer. Okay, bye, see you in the next video.